Drawings must give information such as size and shape of the object and all its parts, specifications for material to be used, how the material is to be finished, how the parts are to be assembled, and any other information essential to making and assembling the object. Drawings may be divided into three classes: detail, assembly, and installation. A detailed drawing is a description of a single part, describing by lines, notes, and symbols the specifications for size, shape, material, and methods of manufacture to be used in making the part. Detailed drawings are usually rather simple. When single parts are small, several detailed drawings may be shown on the same sheet or print. An assembly drawing is a description of an object made up of two or more parts. It describes the object's size and shape. Its primary purpose is to show the relationship of the various parts. An assembly drawing is usually more complex than a detailed drawing and is often accompanied by detailed drawings of various parts. An installation drawing is one that includes all necessary information for a part or an assembly in the final installed position in the aircraft. It shows the dimensions necessary for the location of specific parts with relation to the other parts and reference dimensions that are helpful in later work in the shop. A section or sectional view is obtained by cutting away part of an object to show the shape and construction at the cutting plane. The part or parts cut away are shown by using section or cross-hatching lines. Types of sections are described in the following paragraphs. A full section view is used when the interior construction or hidden features of an object cannot be shown clearly by exterior views. In a half section, the cutting plane extends only halfway across the object, leaving the other half of the object as an exterior view. Half sections are used with symmetrical objects to show both the interior and exterior. A revolved section drawn directly on the exterior view shows the shape of the cross-section of a part, such as the spoke of a wheel. A removed section illustrates parts of an object. It is drawn like revolved sections, except it is placed at one side and often drawn to a larger scale than the view indicated to bring out pertinent details.